Comfort grip handles. Smooth plastic handles make it easy to squeeze the collar and put it in place, even with sweaty hands. Safer lifts. Clips hold weight plates in place to prevent them from sliding off of the barbell during heavy or explosive lifts. Secure grip. Clamps tightly to the barbell and maintains tension so you don't have to worry about it moving around. Fits standard 2 inches bar. Sturdy chrome-plated steel springs are sized to perfectly fit onto typical 2 inches Olympic barbell sleeves. Simple to use, just squeeze slip on. These simple, reliable spring clips, sold in pairs, are a classic tool and a must-have for any weightlifter. Top reviews from the United States. Reliable and well-performing. I've had and tested these clamps for over a year now. I'm very satisfied and happy with my purchase. They keep the weights in place while performing Olympic lifts such as power cleans and deadlifts. Also hold up while dropping the weights.